Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm showing you what to wear after you've been sunburned. I hope everyone's had a lovely week so far. If you're new here, my name is Alarna and I'm a fashion stylist and image consultant based here in Sydney, Australia. I make videos for women who want to use what they have at home and shop smarter when it comes to clothing. So I caught up with a friend of mine recently, and when she arrived for dinner, she was very, very red, and it made me think of this upcoming season. It reminded me of how it feels to be sunburned, and it can be super duper uncomfortable, particularly as a female having to wear things like bras, not knowing what tops to wear when you're feeling really uncomfortable and really swollen and just sore. So this video I've made for anyone who's currently feeling crispy and needs a little bit of comfort but still wants to look nice in their clothes. In this video, we're going to be talking about what types of clothing is going to suit you, what fabrics to go for. We're going to talk about colors, and I'm just going to give a few little tips and things like that that I've learned from being sunburned myself along the way. Alright, so the first thing you want to look at is really breathable fabrics. So you want to avoid fabrics that feel scratchy or really stick quite close to the skin. In my opinion, I think you should go for loose fitting cotton and cotton elastane garments, and that's going to be the most comfortable thing to wear when you're really red. Now, when it comes to dresses, any kind of loose cotton dresses are going to work really well. So if you are worried about getting burned again, it's still really hot outside, you might want to also have some kind of cover up with you. I find sometimes those cotton shawl type pieces that you can buy from women's clothing stores, those boho style pieces, work really well just to give you a little bit of extra coverage. But if you're not too worried about getting burnt again, any types of loose dresses, so a wrap dress works really well, a shift dress works really well, and even just those like tank kind of cotton maxi dresses, they work excellent as well because they're not touching too many parts of your body and they give you lots of breathability. Now when it comes to skirts, maxi skirts are fantastic. If you can wear them around your high waist, it's going to give you lots of breathability in the leg area, particularly if you did get burnt on your legs. Now, something else that works really well is skirts that are bias cut because they sit away from your body, and any skirts that are a wrap skirt that you can tie yourself is fantastic, particularly if you got a little bit burned in the stomach area or in the back area. You can loosen that wrap just a little bit to make it a bit more comfortable on your skin. Now, when it comes to tops, loose t-shirts, loose camisoles, and tops that you can adjust how tight they are going to work really well. Things like button-up shirts are fantastic too. Just go for ones that are a tiny little bit bigger, that have a bit of room between your fabric and your skin, and that'll feel a lot better on. So that's a really good option if you have to go to work when you're feeling really sunburned. Now, something not a lot of people think of when it comes to sunburn and what to wear is your handbag. Now, it's not often thought of until we leave the house and we're starting to get a bit of rubbing on our shoulders. So if you are sunburnt on your shoulders, don't take a crossbody bag and don't take a shoulder bag with you because it's just going to hurt and irritate your sunburn. Take a top handle or a tote bag with you. I love this particular one because you can convert it from a top handle bag to a shopper bag and you can fit lots in it. This is by a brand called Hills and West, and they are an Australian made brand. They're based here in Sydney in Surrey Hills, and the woman who runs it is amazing. They're super good quality, and they're just lovely, really simple, clean looking handbags. Now, a question that I've been hearing a bit whenever I'm dealing with a client, usually post-Christmas, who is a bit sunburned, is what bra can you wear after you've been sunburned, or can you even wear a bra if you've been sunburned? And it can be really difficult depending on your bust size as well. I always find the best thing to do first, if you need to wear a bra, wear what you got sunburned in. So if you wore a swimsuit and you got burned wearing that swimsuit, particularly if it's a bikini top, wear that same bikini top because the straps will be sitting in the spots that aren't burned and it won't be irritating your skin as much. If you were wearing, say, a full piece and it's just not going to be suitable for you to be wearing a full piece, the next best thing you can do is either wear a strapless bra. If your back got burned, you can use bra back extenders. The other thing you can do is you can use chicken fillets, or you can use those kind of lifter fillets that you can buy from different bra shops. Those work really well. Your other option outside of that is just to loosen everything. So still wear a bra even though it's uncomfortable, but if you've got to wear a bra, loosen the bra straps, put a bra extender on the back, and it'll make you feel a lot more comfortable as you can be in that situation. And if you're able to go braless, go braless, maybe put some nipple covers on if you're worried about nipple showing, but that's going to be the best way to do it. Now, if you're looking for good pant options, I mean, ideally you wouldn't be wearing pants if you've really burned your legs quite severely or if you've burned your butt cheeks. But if you do want to wear pants or shorts or anything like that, any type of looser fitting short, especially a short that gives you a little bit of a gap between your body and the fabric, they're going to be the best ones that you can get, particularly if they have a really soft waistband and it's not a tight waistband. Anything that's slightly looser on the body is going to fit better. So you could go for a high-waisted culotte in a cotton fabric that sits away from your body, and you could also do a really nice cotton wide leg trouser, and they work a treat. You can also wear them in a work environment and not feel too uncomfortable when you're sitting down. Now, if you're trying to choose the right colors to wear so that your sunburn doesn't look as severe, you generally want to stay away from really warm colors. So your reds, oranges, pastel soft pinks and hot pinks and yellows, they're the worst colors to wear when you're looking sunburned because they will kind of bring out more pinks in your skin. You also might want to avoid white because sometimes that can really play it up a little bit more. So you're better off wearing much darker colors. Black is an absolute given. It's gonna go with nearly everything. So you could wear black, charcoal, navies. You can also wear like a really, really dark brown if you really want to wear something that's a bit warmer looking, but generally go for darker colors and you'll be alright. So here are just some really simple examples of some outfits that'll work if you are sunburned. So a nice loose black dress for summer. This is an easy one. You can throw on some sandals, throw on a nice matching handbag, and it's really easy, and that black is not going to look so severe up against your burnt skin. Now, if you're just sunburned in the upper part of your body, something that is an easy thing to do and that can kind of distract away from looking sunburned, especially if you're in a work environment, is you can just wear the darker color on your top half or near your sunburned area, and then you wear a print somewhere else, and that'll kind of just throw the eye away from the sunburn a little bit, and it's a nice little distraction. So people going, wow, you look really sunburned, I'll go, oh, nice pants. So that's a good thing to do. Now, something that's another easy option is just a good little shift dress, perhaps something with a sleeve just to stop you from getting sunburned again. This is a really easy option. You can dress it up and down, you could throw it on with sneakers, you could do it with sandals, you can wear it out. There's quite a bit you could do with a dress like this. Alright, and that's all I've got for you guys today. If you liked this video, please remember to click like and click subscribe if you want to be notified every time I make a new video. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot more summery, really hot weather, Christmassy content coming up. I've got some really good ideas. Last week you guys left some lovely ideas on my videos, so I'm working on those. Now, if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave a comment in the comment area below, and I'll see you guys next week with another video.